This is my 2012 VW GTI. It is a Mark 6 Golf. I absolutely love it. It's got the dual clutch DSG transmission, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about the cosmetic mods on my car. I'll also do a video on the performance mods like the intake, the exhaust, the suspension work, but in this video we're going to start it with the MK6 18x8 wheels. These are finished in hyper silver. They're about $226 a wheel right now on Tire Rack, and then I have them wrapped in Michelin Pilot Super Sport tires. Size is 225, 40, 18. So there's the sizing for you if you were going to ask for it. And moving on to the cosmetic mods, my favorite one in the rear are the Golf R Euro Spec LED taillights. You can see these look so good at all times. I mean, in the daytime they look good, but here in the dark they look even better. They are absolutely gorgeous. Sometimes I lock and unlock my car just for fun at night so I can see the taillights turning on. Absolutely beautiful. These are $750 from ECS Tuning. A little bit on the pricey side. There are companies that make them for cheaper, but these fit really well and I think they look outstanding. To make those work, I actually bought the car with this already installed. So this has the rear fog and auto positions, $80 for that switch. I'm assuming it's pretty easy to wire up. Then we have the auto headlight kit. So this is a little sensor that plugs in and it's on the left side of the dash. And then we have these LEDs from SuperBrightLeds that also include red foot lamps in the footwell. So you guys can see right here, my shoes are kind of glowing with red. It looks super cool. So these turn on automatically whenever the headlights are on. And then the dome lights are super bright. So when you unlock the car at night, you can see perfectly throughout the entire interior. Then for the trunk, I have the ECS Hatch Pop Kit. This is $80. I would super highly recommend it. So basically, as you guys can see, when I hold the unlock button on my key, the trunk opens fully by itself. So it doesn't just unlock and then you have to manually lift the hatch. It will open for you. Just keep in mind, this makes the trunk a little bit harder to close, but you'll get used to it fairly quick. Then the paddle shifters. So I have an entire video on these. These are the S2T paddle shifters. They're $225. They do not feel cheap. They do not look cheap. That is because they are not cheap and these are full paddle replacements. Then these fog lamps in the front, these are $50. They're the Yellow Plasma Ion H8 fog lamps. I don't really use the fog lights at all. I don't think it looks that good, but I do have them on the car. In total, without the wheels, it's about $1,300 in cosmetic mods, and then it's $1,000 plus tires. So this car has about $6,000 or $7,000 in mods. The rest of them I will cover in another video where we talk performance. If you have certain mods on your car that I'm missing and you think I should get, please let me know in a comment down below. I'd love to see your build, so comment your Instagram username down below. I hope you enjoyed this one. Subscribe for more car content, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.